I've never made a half and half cake, so I knew making one inspired by Wicked was the perfect opportunity. After I crumb coated my cake and had it chill in the fridge, I covered half of it in parchment paper and then applied green frosting. I smoothed it out like normal and put it back in the fridge for a few minutes before removing the parchment paper. This ensures I get a super clean line. And then I repeated the process on the other side, which is bright pink. I didn't know how clean of a line I was going to be able to achieve in buttercream, but was pleasantly surprised by how sharp it turned out. For the drawings on top, I worked left to right. Starting with Elphaba's side, I piped on and smoothed out a witch hat. And then on Galinda's side, I made the base of her crown. I wanted them both to have a little more height, so now I'm going back in and adding the finer details. On the witch hat, I covered the whole thing in swirls to add texture and make it overall more interesting. On the crown, I added various sized scrolls, circles, and stars on the top in the same shade of gray. For the piping on the sides, I wanted to do something different. I absolutely love the vintage style cakes, but I do think it would be fun for a different style of decorating to become popular. I was inspired by two other cake artists I tagged below to create something with a vintage feel but make it a bit more whimsical.